So today we want to learn the tricky words. We want to learn when to teach a child that the O in your two-letter words sound and when the O in your two-letter words sounds O. Now first I want you to know that when your letter O comes right after the consonant, when your letter O comes right after your consonant in two letters, it sounds O. So when you want to teach a child, just tell the child when you have your letter O, before your N, it goes A. When you have your letter O, before your F, it goes A. When you have your letter O, before your X, it goes A. So you have A, off, ox, 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 But when you have in your letter N, your consonant rather, before your vowel letter O, when you have your consonant letter before your vowel letter O, in your two-letter words, it says O, O. So when you have your N and your O, remember the O comes right after your consonant. It goes O, and that's no, no. You have your G, and then your O comes right after the consonant. It says O, G, O, and it says go. When you have your S and your O right after the consonant, it goes O, S, O, so. If you find this video useful, why don't you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe.